Hi everyone, Keoni here from the Haunting You podcast. I'm working on updating the lighting system for the Candlelighters Ghost House. They wanted to have a permanent system so that they could use 12-volt LED spotlights while in their haunt. And up till now, they have not had this ability. They have 120 volts running to all parts of the haunt, but they had no way to do 12 volts easily. You had to have an AC adapter in every room, and it made it a little bit more complex. So I've designed a system using parts from LED Lights Pro. They just merged with NEDS LEDs, so now they're all just NEDS LEDs. So I use parts that they carry to put this together, as well as some things I got from Amazon, and I think it's pretty slick, so I wanted to share it with you. So the idea is that we have a central location for power, and that is distributed to all areas of the haunt. So the Candlelighters have 2 trailers that are built in with 5 rooms each. So I have a single hub in each of the 2 trailers with wires going out to each of the 5 rooms in that trailer. The hub that I'm using is right here. Super cool, right? It's made by Ares Vision, A-R-E-S, Ares, and you can find them at aresvision.com. But it is just a 12-volt CCTV or LED power supply. It has 9 ports in it, so you can have up to 9 different outputs coming out of this box. And then 120 volt input, and it's individually fused to each of the lines. So you have good protection as well. The power supply inside this takes that 120 volts coming in from the wall, turns it into 12 volts, and sends it out to the up to 9 different outputs throughout your haunt. And then I'm just running a wire from that to each of the different rooms and putting a 12 volt port inside each of the rooms. You know, one of these, mounted into the wall. And then I wanted this to be as flexible as possible, because you never know what your lighting is going to need to be from year to year. And so I'm just making a bunch of parts that they can string together to fit any need. The first is extension cords. My extension cord is just a wire. It has a regular old 12 volt plug on one side, and then along the cord it has female 12 volt plugs coming off. Each one has 3. Woo. There we go. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Each one has 3 different ports coming off of it along the length of it, so it can stretch throughout the room and provide power throughout that room. And then I made a bunch of these Y splitters. So same idea, but much shorter. I have a male end on one side and 2 female on the other side, all soldered together. So I can take that, plug it into my my extension cord, and suddenly I have 2 ports coming off of that. And then finally, there's the LEDs. So these are 10mm pin spots from, again, I bought them from LED Light Pro, but they've just merged. It's now NEDS LEDs. But you can get these for just a few bucks each. And same thing, soldered on a female end to that, so that it can plug into the extension cord, or it can plug into the Y splitter. And now I have a 12 volt pin spot that I can hang just about anywhere to do anything that I want. And it's super easy to get power to wherever I need these to be. If you want to build something like this yourself, it's pretty easy. There will be, check out the notes of this video, and I'll have links to all of the things that I bought. I was able to get kits that came with 10 of these. There you go. Sets of male and female, 10 of them. And then I just soldered it all together and used, heat shrink to put it all together. Super easy, super flexible, and relatively inexpensive. I think I'm doing the entire haunt for about $700. The most expensive part of that was the number of LEDs that we bought. If you are interested in that, go contact Ned at NEDS LEDs or Tim Frank at NEDS LEDs, and they can help you get the best deal for exactly what you want. So that's my 12 volt lighting system in a nutshell. If you want to learn more about all of our builds, definitely like and subscribe to our channel here on YouTube, because we post lots of videos regarding the builds that we're doing. You may notice there are 3 that have me wearing this exact same shirt, that's because I'm doing 3 different builds at the same time, and I'm recording all of it so that all of you can appreciate it. But definitely go check out our website at hauntingyou.com, just the letter U, and there you can find the entire podcast library, as well as deals that our great sponsors and partners provide to you, our listeners. Hopefully you can take this and go make something really cool yourself. In the meantime, get back to your building, because I got to get back to my building, and happy haunting.